Hey guys, it's sort of my goal this year to sort of introduce new apps to you and hopefully prevent you from creating a bunch of folders of apps that I don't use, which I come to find out has actually happened in last year when you guys had the iPad. So what I'm going to show you is a little QR scanner, and some of you have already used this in another classroom. It's actually pretty handy. The QR scanner app on your iPad looks like that. It's black square with a QR on it. And when you actually open it up initially, it's really small, and it's small because it was developed for the iPhone or iPod Touch. But all you gotta do is click in the bottom corner over here where it says the 2X, and then it makes it large again. It's a little pixelated, but that's okay. It still serves the same purpose. But then with the QR code, this one's nice and big, and you'll see a lot of these QR codes everywhere. And basically, what we can do is scan. If you have a device that has a camera on it and it has access to the internet, all you got to do is scan the QR code, and it'll take you to where that link is. These codes have links that are embedded in them, or pieces of information. So I can put an email address in there. I can put a link to a website. I can do anything of that kind. But with this one, all I got to do is press the camera, the little camera button that's in the middle, and when it pops on, this square pops up, and what I have to do is I have to put that QR code in the middle of that square, and it works fairly quickly. I literally just hold it right there, and you see that the screen changed, and there are some options that pop up. Those options, the first one, if I want to, I can go ahead and launch the website. And what it'll do is it'll take me right to my YouTube app, and it'll actually start playing the YouTube video, which is kind of handy. I'm going to pause that. This QR code actually brought up the YouTube video, and this QR code can be found right outside my classroom. My two boards that I have outside my classroom actually have two QR codes. One, I'm going to try to post a weekly funny video of some kind that relates to grammar or English in some way. Of course, the videos are actually going to pertain to grammar or English, but I'm going to try to keep them funny and entertaining, so that way you guys are still learning something. And then the other one is actually a link to a blog of the week. And we're going to be doing a lot of blogging in the junior class this year. So if you have an iPad, if you have an iPod Touch, if you have anything like that, and you want to take a look at some of your fellow classmates' blogs, read them, comment on them. We're going to be sharing a lot of information on there. So this week's, I believe this week's is Bo Fisher. If you want to, you can just scan it, and it'll take you straight to Bo's blog, and that way you can go ahead and begin reading it. If you got any other questions about the QR scanner, or if you see other QR codes around the building, don't be afraid to scan those too and give it a try and see how it works. Hope you guys have fun with it.